Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Lloyds Online Banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the Lloyds Bank login in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now you will be redirected to the official page of the Lloyds, where you can see there is a login option at the top right corner of this page. So let's tap on that login option, and now you can see there are two options. First one is personal and another one is business. So if you have a personal account, then simply tap on the personal, and if you want to log in with your business account, then simply tap on the business. So let me choose personal for now, and now you will be redirected to the official login page of the Lloyds Online Banking, where you can see it is asking us for our user ID and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the continue, and yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully. And right above of this continue option, you can see there is a option, remember my user ID. So once you check mark this one, then you will be able to save your credentials in this browser successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your credentials, then simply tap on the forgotten your login details, and yeah, you need to complete few more formalities, and once you verify yourself, then you'll be able to log in successfully. So basically this is how you can log into Lloyds Online Banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.